Hello and welcome guys, we're back with another video. Today we are making tuna egg salad. We're making a hot salad today as temperatures have really gone down where we are. The main ingredients for this dish, as you can see on your screen, are mushrooms, pasta, some salad greens, tuna, onions, tomatoes, eggs, walnut, and salad dressing. You can really use the salad dressing you want. We have French dressing here and we are using that. Besides that, we're just going to need some salt, pepper, and olive oil. That's it guys. Let's get started. The first stage guys would be to take around 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, just add in the mushrooms. So we'll just want to saute the mushrooms here for a bit. We've been cooking the mushrooms on high heat for 2 minutes. Now the mushrooms are cooked. This will be a nice time to add in the tuna. The tuna we have here is a canned tuna, and so it's already salted. We'll just add a little bit of salt, but it's really up to you to add to your taste. If you don't have tuna handy, nothing to worry about. You can just add some boiled chicken. The idea is to get a protein source in there, besides the egg of course that you'll be using. After 30 seconds, you can add in the eggs. Mix everything well. Reduce the flame to medium now and add in the pasta. Once again, you're using the fusilli, but really use whatever is handy. Also add in the pepper and salt. And mix for just a minute. Now the hot mix is ready, so we'll just go on to dressing up our salad now. Now we'll go on to dressing the salad. As you can see, we have the salad greens here. We just left a nice space in the middle. Looks like a nest. Just put in the hot mix that we just prepared, the pasta, the tuna, the mushroom, and everything together. The eggs, of course. And now we'll just add in the onions and tomatoes. Just sprinkle some walnuts for those healthy fats. Perhaps some more. And we'll just top it up with an egg. Never hurts. Last but not the least, we'll just put in the salad dressing. As little or as generously you like, totally up to you. And our salad is absolutely ready. Very healthy meal. We really hope you enjoy it. Well then, enjoy it.